What's up, aviation guys? Today I'm gonna try to get this 310 behind me airworthy again. It's been sitting for a number of years. It hasn't been annualed in at least 4 years, and I'm gonna check and see if it's worth salvaging. First thing I'm gonna do is bore scope the engine, and then I'm gonna check for corrosion. So it's getting ready to storm, so I'm gonna pull it in the hangar and then we'll do a walk around. First thing I did was pump the tires up because they've been sitting so long. As you can see, we made it in the hangar just in time. It's pouring out. I'm just going to do a walk around the plane. The things I'm concerned about are corrosion, and I'll just make comments here and there as I notice things. Really, overall, the plane is in remarkably good condition considering it's been sitting on the ramp for 5 years. The paint's filthy and it's real chalky. It just needs washed and buffed and waxed. I'm really just looking for signs of corrosion, and I'm not seeing any anywhere. The first sign of corrosion is going to be flaking paint. The brakes and rotors have plenty of life left on them. They just have some surface rust. There's really just no corrosion anywhere. It's amazing to me that it's not more corroded. I can't wait to give this thing a bath. It really just has years of crud on it. Everything in the engine compartment looks great. It's just got a lot of dust and debris in it, which we're going to clean it out before we attempt to start it. Remember, I still don't have the logbook, so I don't know how much time is on the props or the engines or what ADs have been completed. See the paint flaking on the antenna? That's what the body's going to look like if corrosion is starting somewhere. Now underneath the nose wheel is the heater and the oxygen tank. Those are going to really need to be checked. So far, both engines look great. No signs of corrosion. I'm hoping that they'll fire right up. Check out this inspection panel. There's just no signs of corrosion anywhere. It's amazing. This door lock was rusted shut. Took forever to get it open. It's really not in terrible shape. No corrosion anywhere. It's just filthy. Tires are holding air. Battery's holding charge. The only thing that's rusting are these little screws. No paint bubbling or corrosion anywhere. Going over to the wash bay. Spraying simple green on the engines. We sprayed the entire plane down with simple green and now just washing it with soap to get all the crud off of it and see what we're working with. Look at the difference already just by washing it. It's amazing. The moment of truth. Will this thing start up? You got to use a GPU for the batteries are dead. It's been 4 years since it's been run. Well, shortly after I turned the camera off, we had a fire. And this was the culprit. There was smoke coming between the radios. So we shut the engine down, called the fire department, and it just seems like something inside this radio went bad. So we're going to just find another one, plug and play. Next step is go through the ADs, get the logbook, and see what it takes to make it airworthy.